Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up. Then that be poking out them jeans up and sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you walking up. It's the wrong tree, I got the strings.
What up, guys? Welcome to another day at Mammoth. We're probably gonna do the same stuff that we've been doing, but hey, we're snowboarding. We're doing it. That's all we want to do is snowboard. So, no agenda today other than I died skateboarding yesterday. My entire hip hurts, but we'll make it work. Here we go. I left my gloves, but Chris had a pair for me. Thanks, Christo.
Start it up.
Gotta get that hip moving fast. I'm waiting for the day that this side hit is like dropped on the other side. We had a top to bottom run right there. T to B. Every trick. Boop, 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 boop. Da, 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 da. Alright, that first run through the park was smooth. We got it. Like, you know, like we're good in that park. Let's go hit the bigger park now where the weather is finally what we've wanted for this bigger park. We got a bump into this one. You see this? It's like bump. Alright, that was first run through. We scoped it out. Let's try and ramp it up.
Start it up.
Good drop.
This is lit.
You guys might have not noticed yet, but Kenny's here today. Hello. He showed up for his birthday weekend with his wife Aubrey. And yeah, it's always fun when Kenny's here. I'm sure he'll flip at some point because he's flipping Kenny, front flipping Kenny.
It doesn't have the alliteration, but we'll get there.
Yeah, we'll get something with Kenny, some type of flip. And yeah, Kenny made the resort map, resortskimaps.com. Check it out. Mammoth was already green.
It was, yeah.
But we got to come back in the winter, I feel like, to like get a real resort review / like we got to hit June Mountain too. Which
Have
is
you only come in the spring?
Only come in the spring, man.
I mean, it's fun here.
Yeah, it's a cool place. So yeah, Kenny's the man. Let's go. Do it again, but better. It's a cool rail.
So fun.
Nice to meet you, Ryder. All right, we got this time. We're actually gonna get some air this time.
Spider-Man? Can I get a high five?
Woo! All right.
My emergency
we're warming
food.
up in there. Eventually we're
Is
gonna
that
do
hot
something
water?
Cool. I think that's where we're kind of standing at. People everywhere.
boost it. Sorry, man. People snaking lines.
Because of the bad weather, this is finally the first warm day. There's like a trillion people here making everything almost impossible to like hit, you know, like everything in a line. Like you'll get a good hit here and there, but then all of a sudden you get behind people going slower than you, and then like because it's slushy, you got to go like extra fast because it's already slow. Things like that. Anyways, it gets pretty gnarly out here. What was the last word I said? Today, sticker shout out. We got MS Niger with the White Evolution sticker on the back of the truck. Looking insane, man. Thanks for snagging an Evolution sticker. One of the big ones. Zil Stan with the White Evolution sticker and the hoodie. Looking insane, dude. Thank you so much for snagging Evolution merch, guys. If you want an Evolution sticker and you're a skier, we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker, as well as any of our hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, any of our merch. We now have the slap stickers, by the way. Those are like the little ones you slap on things, and it comes in a pack of 4. Those are sick. It's not really meant for your helmet, but they're meant for you to just sticker all over whatever you want to sticker. And so, yeah, any of the merch, guys, is linked down below. If you do snag it, tag me on Instagram, and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs like I just did, as well as just follow the Instagram and the TikTok for bonus extra content. If it's too hot to stand here, tomorrow we're coming out in t-shirts. It's going to be even hotter tomorrow. And tomorrow Bristol's going snowboarding for the first time ever. So let's subscribe.
I'm wearing a bikini.
I think his name is Chris.
Saved it.
Lost the jump though. Cody. Oh, he threw me off so hard with that maneuver.
I'm like, don't look at me.
I was like, what is he doing? Not what I wanted to do.
Oh, I forgot Kenny. Poor Kenny. Yeah. Water.
Man, I was in it, and then something happened, which we didn't put in the video, that got me out of it, and I'm still out of it. And like, I can't get back in it.
Oh, we're getting back in it on this run.
I'm trying, man.
Get it in it, on it.
Oh, I lost it, man. It's somewhere. I just think about Kenny skateboarding and how sick he's gonna be.
This place rocks.
Rocks rock. I'm out of it still. Not here. I think we're gonna go do a run because we're so out of it. Get the guys, get the guys. Oh, switch 50-50.
Don't let it throw you off.
Yeah, we're together. We got this. Oh, it threw me off. That's such a unique approach. It scares me. No. Yeah, I'll film everybody on this one. Yeah, sometimes like you fall out of the groove, and I just haven't been able to get back into it. So we're gonna go do a run. You know, kind of close it off with that. Also close it off with food. Park. Oh, Ski Dog missed the landing.
Whoa, I went the wrong way.
Plus Badger. Christo. Woo! And Kenny got his flip. Let's go.
Yeah.
That's all the day needed.
All right, Flippy.
That's all we needed was Kenny to get his backflip.
The hype train is here.
Now the day feels better again. Let's go do a quick mountain
Behind
run.
you.
What's up, man?
What's up? What's your name?
Watch your YouTube, Brandon.
Brandon. Nice to meet you, man.
Videos.
Have a good day, guys.
The adventure continues.
Hi, Ski Dog's my first vlog. Look at those rocks.
Cool.
Like earlier, I was like, this place rocks.
Got whoops over here.
That was so cool.
That was gnarly. It was like whoop, ba-doop, 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 ba-doop.
A little bigger of a drop than I
Look at
thought.
how big that one was. You okay? Okay.
Got it.
It's so sticky.
Wait! I'm coming! Let's go!
Oh!
It's sticky!
I've accepted our fate of a slow run out. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for training with us. That was a fun little run. As always, thanks for watching.
Fast.
Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow in another video because it is daily on this channel.
That's a good run.